is Kayla, and it's her graduation day. It feels like just yesterday when she began this journey, completely unaware that most of her college years would unfold behind a screen. Now, as she prepares to leave the place she's called home, she's filled with memories, gratitude, and the quiet realization that the past 4 years have been the best of her life. So come along as she takes us through her journey, from the beginning to end. They didn't meet in classrooms, but on Zoom, adjusting to a world reshaped by the pandemic. It wasn't what any of them had imagined, but somehow they made it work. In this strange new normal, they built a little world of their own.
Hi guys! Hi! So mag-i-IKEA ako ngayon. Tapos, first meeting ko to kasama yung mga kaklase ko sa college. Hi! Meeting these friends for the first time felt wild, like seeing characters from your favorite shows step off the screen. We laughed, screamed on rides, and made memories that started our real-life adventures together.
Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong kahit na.
After endless online projects, online lectures, and assessments, the announcement of the hybrid setup finally arrived. It was the news we'd been waiting for, the chance to experience normal college life. And the day we finally moved in, finally hit, college was happening for real. And this was the start of a whole new chapter together.
Hindi magwaki ah.
Ano mo ba? Yung?
Hey. Ngayon nandito kami sa ano? Ay sa Grabe. Nakakapagod si Coach.
maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Tinapang mong marahan ang hagdanan para lamang makidlatan sa kaitaas-taasan ni kaibigan. Huwag kang magpapasinda, kaibigan, easy lang sa pag-iyak. Dahil wala ring mangyayari, dahil walang mapapala, huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para maging hari, may panahon para matambang. Dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang ganyan. Maaraw umuulan,
Mendoza Maricayla May Orgia, cum laude.
maaraw buhay ay sadyang ganyan.
Monteverde,
Maaraw huwag kang maawa sa iyong sarili.
Of those who stood by us through the
Nawala
ups
ka
and
ng
downs.
silbi.
So, to our dear professors who patiently explored the complexities of virtual teaching and eventually adapted to the so-called new normal, thank you.
Para lang sa may tiyaga maghintay. Kaya kaibigan, huwag kang magpapatalo. Kaibigan, itaas ang noo. Dahil wala ring mangyayari, dahil walang magpapala, huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para